Hi guys, this is going to be a super short video, and the topic is what's the cheapest hairstyling product for at least for short hair. And I think it's this thing. It's the Murray's Beeswax. And there are two reasons for that. First reason is that it's super cheap. I mean, you can see that you can get it for around $2.30 here, $2.90. Even eBay, I think, has it for $2.50, and if you can get it with no shipping, I mean, if you can pick it up anywhere, I have seen it already on Walmart. I think I have bought it in Walmart for $2.50 or something like that, and that was about 2 months ago, and I'm using it almost every day. And the second thing is, here it comes. The second thing is you need almost nothing of it every day. I mean, I think it doesn't fit for long hair at all. I wouldn't use it, or I wouldn't recommend it for long hair. But if you have like short hair, you can easily bring it in style with about, let's say, I don't know, 1 gram. Yeah, that's probably not even 2 grams which you need. So it will last. I mean, when I see my what's remaining in my bottle or box, container, I mean, I think it will almost last for half a year, and it was $2.50. That's crazy. That makes maybe $5 per year, something like that. I mean, it's almost impossible to beat that. Or what do you think? Do you have something which is cheaper or better or whatsoever? What do you think? I mean, that's my recommendation, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.